go. Wiring a Freesia. So as you can see, the Freesia on this stem has 4 elements. So we're going to cut 3 elements down and use the one head. This could be used maybe for a buttonhole. We're going to use one of the 32 wires, and this is the internal wiring. We're going to go down through the centre of the Freesia, right through the centre, right through the throat, and can you see it's just popped out of the bottom. So right through the centre of the Freesia, very similar to a carnation. We have a nice little hook, very tiny hook, because Freesia is a delicate flower plant material, but that is now ready to tape. So moving on to the larger piece, which also might be used in a corsage, we're going to first externally wire the tip. So using your ivory reel wire, we want a hook at the top and around. Squeeze the 2 wires together and wrap that wire around to stop any exposed. If I touch the end of that now, there's no sharp edges. And we're going to just go around and down the stem of the Freesia. Cut the wire, and we're now going to put this on a single leg mount. It's a slightly heavier plant material than the one flower, so we'll move up a gauge to a 46. Again, 1/3, 2/3, finger and thumb, on top, 1, 2, 3. These 2 are now ready for taping. Squeeze and pull. This actually, by wiring it from the tip, has actually support wired the whole stem, and if this Freesia gets knocked, by using the wire, the ivory reel wire, it's actually stopping it from breaking. Freesia of the open flowers tends to have quite a sappy stem, and it's quite hard to tape. You have to be very careful when taping because they're very prone to the heads popping off. But that's now ready to use for a corsage.